Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Reagan, and today we are going to be using the Morphe in James Charles palette that he did a collaboration with them on. This palette is amazing. Just looking at it, this is actually the first Morphe palette I've ever owned. But as soon as I saw it and I saw the colors, I just knew I had to have it because it just has everything that you need in it to come out with a look. So this is what it looks like. I mean, look at those colors. Plus this is a massive palette. It's definitely not easy for carrying around, I can say that much. But it does have a lot of transition shades in there, which are, I like the big palettes, those are nice. There's some foiled ones in here, it looks like some satin ones. So it's definitely going to be interesting. I cannot wait to dive into it and see what I come out with. So I have already put eyeshadow primer on. From what I understand and what I've heard is that this palette works better with eyeshadow primer than it does with concealer. Because normally I just put concealer on my eyelids and put my eyeshadow on top of it, but I do want to make sure that I have this palette work at the best of its abilities. So we are using eyeshadow primer today. I used the Kat Von D Lock-It primer. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to dive right in and see what kind of look we come out with. So let's see here. The color I'm going to use first for my transition is this one, which is called Code James. It does come with a little slip that tells you the names of all the colors. So we're going to go ahead and dive right into that one. Alright, so I don't actually have a plan as to what I'm doing with my eyelids. I'm just kind of winging it here. So we're going to see. The next color I'm going to use is called 518. It is this color right here. And then I will use Rusted, which is this one right next to it. So those are the next two colors I plan on using on the lid. We're going to go ahead and get into that. Alright, so that color, as you can tell, is super pigmented. I definitely so far am enjoying the colors and how they pay off. So we're going to go into that Rusted now and just go a little bit lower with this. Dot bag into that 518 color and just blend out everything. Now I'm going to use the color So Good, which is this one right here. And we're going to use that on the lid. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead under the eye, first using the 518 color. And we're going to do this on the lower lash line. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and go offline, finish the rest of my makeup, and come back and share my thoughts with you. So I'll be back in just a moment. Alright everyone, I am back. I have the rest of my makeup put on, put some lashes on, that sort of thing. So just overall, just using the palette, which it's so pretty. I love it so much. It's so pretty. I love this whole black sleekness. I don't have to worry about it getting dirty like the white palette that Jaclyn Hill has. That one just looks like it would get so dirty so fast. But this one, I really like the sleekness of it. It's really nice. I'd have to say, when it comes to the eyeshadow palettes, they work so well. I had no problems with the blending or anything like that. The pigmentation is like spot on, so good. And the colors in here, there's so many colors that you can use, so many different looks. I love that it has some of the warm colors, and then it has some of the cool tone colors, and then there's transitions in there, so it's got a little bit of everything for everyone, for you to be able to really come out with a great look with it. So this retails for $38, so I definitely recommend looking at it. I believe that James Charles actually has a code through Morphe to get a percentage off. If you want, you would, I don't know what his code is though. I got mine from Ulta. So, but I want to thank you for watching. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will be reminded the next time that I upload. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, I thank you for watching, and you have a great day.